and is the third generation of the Bajaj family that is all set to carry the legacy forward. We have with us Mr. Rishabh Bajaj. And Rishabh, so good having you on the channel. So, the new Chetak that is being launched. So, firstly, help us understand what this new launch is all about and why did you choose Chetak to be like coming in front of us actually and speaking to media? Is that something really close to you?
Yes, I mean, I think so. So I've been here for 4 years now. I've been learning, training and working with the various functions. Chetak is something which is dear to me because, as you know, my grandfather started it decades and decades ago, and it has continued through the generations, and as you said, through 3 generations now. I'm the third one. So it's something which is very close to us, and since I've personally worked on this as well in the last 4 years, this product specifically, so I feel it was a good time. We wanted it to have a youth feel to it, as you can see from the entire setup over here and from the team who hosted the event as well. So it's just fitting that somebody young comes over here to put forth the message for nothing apart from just this product and for who it is catered to.
Now, I should really say that the vibe of this event is very different from the traditional ones rather, and I'm sure that you must have played your role in that. But talking about this particular launch, this is very aggressively priced, and moreover it helps you expand your portfolio. But going ahead, how do you want to expand the brand Chetak? You want to take it more into exports, expand domestically? What is something that you are looking forward to?
Yeah, so to touch upon the affordability point, we feel that apart from obviously having style, technology, etc., price plays a big role for EVs in terms of its penetration. People want affordability, people want to save money, and at the end of the day, that is what we are trying to cater to. Chetak has in fact started exports already. We may not make as much noise about it, but we've been exporting to 2-3 countries now for the last few months. So Chetak is now, as we say, the world's favorite Indian as well soon.
Indeed, but Rishabh, now let's talk about the legacy Bajaj. And I just wanted to start knowing about your 4 years of journey at Bajaj, because we have heard stories and listened to how your dad used to really work on every facility and every bed of Bajaj Auto. What your journey has been, which departments, and how do you plan to take that legacy forward now?
No, I feel that's something which doesn't need to be changed, should not be changed. Be it my great-grandfather, my grandfather, my father, everyone has had a solid foundation on which they have built the bedrock for this company. So I myself, like them, started off with working in the plants for almost a year or 2 years, and only after that did I move to the R&D, and only after that did I start sitting over here in the head office. Otherwise, I have been through the entire back end, what we like to call, from engineering to R&D to supply to plant, and being an engineer by education, that does help.
But taking the legacy forward, that will mean something to you, because it's not just the exports, it's the premium side, it's the EV. Bajaj Auto is all throughout. So what are your plans to make it big?
Well, as somebody said, you shouldn't bite off more than you can chew. So I will take it one step at a time, and this is, I would say, something where I can dip my toe into the water and test where they are. So I would say for now it's just this product, Chetak, and that's it, one step at a time.
So Chetak is going to be the first one, and then we will see you in some other...
That is your interpretation. That may not be what I have said.
Okay. Okay, but Rishabh, so good having you on the channel today.
Thank you.
So
Thanks.